Hey guys, I just wanted to show very quickly this neat new book. It's called The Sea Inside Exploration Discovery. These are one of those books that have the flaps, and under the flaps has little information. Um, this is a great addition to your little readers' libraries, even for those a few who are homeschooling, especially because this goes really well with your history curriculum. See, look how neat this is. I mean, my boys, they love the books with the flaps. They just love opening the flaps and finding the information behind the flaps. And see, let me see. Where are the flaps? Oh, here it is. See. So, anyways, if you're interested in this book, just go in the link in the, below and or ask me for more information about it. Okay. Thank you.